Hi guys, I want to talk about that fake purchases from your online store and why so could be so harmful actually, and how to deal with that. Not having a lot of experience or knowledge like advertisers have in general, and it's so important when you use, for example, Google Ads or Meta ads or another type of ad campaigns based on AI platforms and something like that. So what's the problem actually? Problem is algorithms of your advertising. For example, if we talk about Google Ads, it's quite it's quite important to give as accurate as possible data from your online stores to Google Ads when you use advertising. And why? Because right now it really matters what type of data you send to Google Ads, and not only. And what happened in this moment when someone tried to make like fake purchases, and if you faced with that, you could notice one thing, that it's purchases with higher level of check. And what happened in this moment when your ad account like Google Ads receives this purchase with this like amount. In this moment, Google Ads thinks that it's a real purchase. You will get a lot of expensive traffic in this moment, but your conversion rate will still stand in the same level, and you will get a lot of additional expenses. In Google Ads, for example, we have some methods how to deal with that. So it's about some functions that allow us to exclude some conversions for Google Ads optimization. And this way we say Google that don't consider this period for bid strategy optimization. But in some cases, like maybe 50, it's like 50-50. In some cases, it's not possible. Even if you use this feature, anyway, your account shows a bad performance after this type of purchases. So this is the biggest harmful that you could get from these fake purchases. And we faced with situation when we even made a new ad account just because of one huge transaction, this like fake purchase. Yeah, and this is a reality. So what we have to do in this moment to prevent, getting this data to our ad account? Okay, here we go. Our Google Analytics, and the first method. We will reduce value to 0, for example, or maybe to $1 or something like that. Okay, we need to go to administration, like admin in our Google Analytics, and then we have to go in this data display tab, and we need events page, and we need this like modify event. Just create a new rule and give him a name. Let it be purchase as well. And we need to put in some filter. Event name equals purchase. So this is our event name. And the second condition, try guess. Of course, I'm talking about value of this purchase. Yeah. Here we go. Value, and in this case, we use operator like is greater than. Yes. So if Google Analytics absorbs some like event purchase with, for example, let it be $10,000 or more, yeah, is greater than. So in this moment, we modify this event, and I'm talking about parameter value. So in this case, we reduce our value to, for example, 0, or let it be $1. Okay. So that's all. Just create this modification. Here we go. And we prevent a lot of problems, but this method is in the case when you import your Google in your Google Ads transactions from purchases from Google Analytics. That's all. This is the first method. Not so complicated. Yeah, just 3 clicks. Okay, go ahead. And the second method, go to our Google Tag Manager. We use this method when we understand that our purchases are set up using Google Tag Manager, and we use in this moment data layer, and we need to make some filter. And first of all, we need to go to our variables in Google Tag Manager and to create variable. It's created already in my account, but I'm gonna show you. So we create new variable with type of data layer variable, and just write in e-commerce.value. Yeah, and we can name it. So anyway, it doesn't matter. And save this variable. Then we need go to triggers, and we need to create new trigger or to modify our existing trigger for purchases. Trigger that send data and event of purchase to Google Analytics. Let's see how it looks like this modified event purchase. So here we go. We have our event name purchase, and in usual we have like all custom events here, and that's all. But we will use our variable for that. So we switch on some custom events and use our created variable e-commerce.value. And in this case, we use operator like e-commerce.value less than, and our, for example, let it be also $10,000. So we make this filter, and we say to our Google Tag Manager, if you observe a custom event purchase and this purchase has a value less than 10,000, so in this case we want to fire this trigger. So, but if you observe purchase with value more than 10,000, in this case we don't fire this trigger. So it's simple. Don't forget about saving a trigger. I don't want to save. I want to focus your attention to some things. The first method is just about reducing value, but we don't exclude this purchase, this event completely. Anyway, we got this event in our GA4, and further we get it in our Google Ads account, but we didn't get it in such high level value, just reducing and getting this fake conversion with 0 or with 1, for example, dollar, that's all. And it will not affect on your bidding strategy. And the second method, it's more appropriate methods. Yeah, we filter completely all these transactions. We even don't allow them, and for Google Ads as well. Okay, so if you have your freelancers or agencies who are maintaining your Google Ads account, work with your advertising, I highly recommend you send them this video, and don't wait that moment when your rivals start to make these fake transactions, fake purchases. Don't wait this time. You have to create these filters right now. Just save your account, because the consequences could be real harmful, you know. Okay, if this video was interesting for you, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because I'm talking about important things by simple words for business owners, marketers, and okay, bye for now.